Hello my dear students. So today I am going to share with you that how you can construct a quadrilateral. Okay. So as we know, the quadrilateral that has four sides, right? And what is the question given here? That the construct a quadrilateral, that is the PQRS, the name of the particular quadrilateral, that is the PQRS, and the value given here. Okay. PQ, that is a value 4.5 centimeter. The measurement of QR is 3.5 centimeter. The value of RS, that is the 5 centimeter. The value of PS, that is the 4 centimeter, and the value of PR, that is the 6 centimeter, right? So for this one you need one scale, pencil and compass. Okay. So here I have drawn this one, means the all measurement of these lines, right? So there is PQ, that is the 4.5 centimeter, QR 3.5 centimeter, and this one R is 5 centimeter, P is 4 centimeter, and PR is the 6 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram. Okay, this is the rough diagram of this quadrilateral. So like this way. P, Q, this is your base, and R, S. And there is another one, that is the PR, which one is 6 centimeter. So it should be your diagonals, right? The PR is the diagonals here. Okay. So this is the rough diagram. Okay. So first we need to draw the base. Okay. So this is the rough line, and then the first step we have to measure this 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter line segment. This is the 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is the value of PQ. The one end of your compass, put it here, and then draw this one, this arc. This one is 4.5, right? And this is P, and this point is Q. Achha. Then the QR is 3.5, means from Q to R, from Q to R, the how for this one from Q to R is 3.5 centimeter far, right? So put this one, and again, yes. So now this is the QR, right? This is the point R, and there is another one that is given, that is the PR. The R point is from the P 6 centimeter far, right? So 6 centimeter, this one, measure this one, this line segment. So now put it here in the point P, because PR is 6 centimeter, right? So at this point, okay, two arc intersect each other, and at this point, this is the point R, right? And from Q, the R is 3.5, and the from P to R, that is the 6 centimeter, right? Then we need to draw and join this P to Q to R, join these two points. This is the R and this is the P. Yes, join this one. Okay. So this is the QR. Okay. Then what is our next step? The value of RS, that is the 5 centimeter. So from the 5 centimeter, so first we need to measure this one. So from the R, S is 5 centimeter far, right? And then the value of PS, we need to measure this one. PS, the value of PS is 4 centimeter. So measure this one, that is the PS. This is the PS, and put the your compass at the point P, and then draw this arc. Okay, and two arcs, they are intersecting each other at this particular point, and this is the S. Okay, and this one, now it's time to join these 2 points, means the S with R. Join this one. This is the R, this is the S. Yes, and then join PS. P with S. Okay, acha. Then PR, the PR, that is the 6 centimeter. PR 6 centimeter. So see, at this point means our drawing is totally correct. Okay, the value of PR, see that is the 6 centimeter, which is equal with this one, right, and this one. So join this PR. This is your diagonal. So students, keep it in mind that your diagram should be neat and clean. Okay, so the construct, we have constructed this one, that is the PQRS, the quadrilateral, and PR, the given here one diagonal. Okay, so if you want, you can subscribe my channel and then comment in the section given below, right, if you want to know more from my sides. Okay, so bye students, see you in the next class.